Hi guys, I'm Willet, and today I really wanted to try this challenge I saw. It is a blindfolded carrot slicing challenge. A YouTube chef set the world record on Gordon Ramsay's The F Word, and I just thought it would be fun to try it. So you have to be blindfolded, so I'm going to use my mask. And I think the number to beat is 88 slices in 30 seconds.
So people watching right now, this is not a demonstration of how to properly wear a mask to prevent coronavirus. This is using a mask as a blindfold.
Okay, I can't see anything.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
Too short. How much time did I have left?
Okay, so what's happening now?
Okay, so I wish we had done this in one continuous shot, but Emoji Baby needed to pee, so we're going to count how many slices I got, and I wanted to do it on camera so that it's legit. We're not cheating. I'm not cheating. I'm not setting a world record today. If they're not perfect full rings, we're not going to count them either. So let's just start.
This would actually be a good activity for Emoji Baby, but she would take a really long time.
That's true.
Good thing to count. Practice her counting.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and...
Okay, keep going.
All right. So apparently a phone call just interrupted the video again. So might need to figure out a new way to shoot these videos.
I mean, I feel like this video is very indicative of 2020, where you start something, get interrupted, stop, start again, stop, had a plan, your plan. That's pretty much how this year's going. So
yeah.
All right, what's your count at right now?
Well, I'm only counting to 5 each time, so
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We got 50 right there. Okay, so today is Friday, September 11th. Exactly 2 weeks ago was our last day of service at Burger Chan. People kind of want to know how you feel about that.
It's complicated. It's kind of hard not to have something that you've been doing every day to just have that stop. But at the same time, I also feel like just towards the end, service was just getting so complicated, so hard, short-staffed. You never know when you're going to be short-staffed. It was getting really stressful. And in a way, closing has been a relief. So I think overall, it's been better than it has been, than it's worse. I think really been able to focus on just more time on home, on family, not friends, obviously. We're under lockdown and coronavirus is still very much out there. But I've also been trying to lose weight forever. And with work, it's just impossible. I go into this really bad habit where I don't like to work hungry. So I'm constantly just shoving in as many high calorie items as I can. Everything's very fatty. And now I can focus on losing weight. So I think I'm done counting. I'm not going to count the last couple of slices because I think I ran over the time by 1 second. So you said we had 50, 60, 70, 75, 76. So 76 today without much practice. I think that's close enough that I want to try this again. Maybe I'll specifically go shop for a longer carrot that I'm not going to run out or think I'm going to run out towards the end. Any other questions?
I mean, I do, but we need to wrap it up because Emoji Baby needs to restart virtual school. So
yeah, that's true.
Until then, until we have another spot of time, this was at least a good start to get a video out there.
Yeah, if you enjoyed this, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to this channel, hello, welcome, and we will see you on the next one.
All right. Is that your outro?
Sure.
All right, then.